Hey gang, time out. Does this ever happen to you? You're required to monitor two gases at two separate heights? Brett here.
Today on Sensor Summaries, we'll be tackling that very issue with a killer solution by expanding Senva's toxic gas and controller line with
the REM-Kit. This kit includes everything you need to take your Senva sensor and split it to two different heights. Is this a big deal? Yes. Let's get into it. The kit includes a Cat5 cable, a wall mounting bracket, a sensor box, and instructions. Have I been talking like that the whole time? The REM-Kit is available in both metal and plastic construction, but today we're going to focus on the plastic version. As you can see, the boxes are nearly identical, but the insides couldn't be more different. Inside the REM-Kit box is the small plastic bag with the expansion module. We will put that aside for now. From the TG sensor, we will pull the NO2 sensor out and replace it with the expansion module. This is where you connect one end of the Cat5 cable. Back to the REM-Kit box, the NO2 sensor goes inside here. And finally connect the other end of the Cat5 cable. As Brett was saying, yeah, I'm back. The REM-Kit is a killer solution. Now you can easily monitor CO and NO2 levels at different heights and offer the same functionality of a single device.
Wow!
Okay, gang, that's all we have for today's Sensor Summaries. Remember, stay sharp, stay smart. See you next time.